My name is Omar Elias. I have Eric beside me, one of our group members. The purpose of this presentation is to give a summary of reports for the Enterprise 2.0 implementation improvement plan. And now I'm going to start with the mission. The goal of this project is to uncover improvement opportunities in the Enterprise 2.0 solution within QUT, and also provide recommendations for improving the current solution in order to help facilitate the actualization of QUT's goals and objectives. The reason why this project is needed: from our research, we have discovered that QUT's academic staff and students have not made full use of the Enterprise 2.0 solutions provided. This is evident in the way that academic staff and students use external social tools for the delivery of services and research. An Enterprise 2.0 improvement plan can help resolve this problem, which can lead to desired benefits for QUT. Benefits such as improved productivity and efficiency, staff engagement, reputation, and knowledge. For the current situation, a number of Enterprise 2.0 tools have been discovered within QUT. These are Microsoft Exchange 2010 for emailing, Microsoft Link used for instant messaging, video conferencing, Blackboard for the delivery of services by academic staff. Yammer is used as a social networking platform. SharePoint 2010 is used for content management. For the organizational drivers identified for QUT, drivers are factors that affect the strategic direction of an organization. A number of internal and external drivers have been identified. These are government regulations and policies, technology, globalization of the higher education sector, competition amongst universities for students, the shortage of talented academic staff, and changing demands of the employment marketplace for graduate students. And now we move on to the analysis of the QUT's functional areas. An in-depth analysis was carried out, and the McKinsey social value levers was used as the framework for analyzing the functional areas within QUT. This analysis led to the identification of the social value levers already existing within QUT's Enterprise 2.0 solution. This was done by matching the levers to the feature sets of the different Enterprise 2.0 tools within QUT. A number of benefits were identified for each lever. These benefits will be realized once the Enterprise 2.0 improvement plan has been implemented. For the goals and objectives of this project, the first goal is to improve the efficiency of collaboration and communication within and across QUT. And the objective for this particular goal is to promote internal instant message service among QUT staff, which is based on social platforms such as Yammer, and replace 50% of the internal email by the end of 2015. The second goal is to change the confused situation of implementing various social tools inter faculties, and the objective is to unify the social collaboration tools in each faculty by the end of 2015. And the third goal is to build up an all-in-one platform to integrate all useful functionalities to facilitate all the users in QUT. And the objective for this particular goal is to integrate all the Enterprise 2.0 functions into the platform by the end of 2016. And the final goal is to increase user engagement on QUT Enterprise 2.0 properties. And the objective is to implement a gamification functionality such as incentives to stimulate users' contribution by the end of 2015. Now I'm going to pass it on to Eric, my group member, to finish up the other parts of the presentation.
Omar. I'm Eric, and I'll take over the presentation. So we'll come to the activity part. Activities are proposed here in order to realize the business objectives and goals which I mentioned in the presentation before. So there are a series of activities proposed here, which includes QUT Blackboard update programs, QUT Blackboard transformation program. These are programs designed for transformation for QUT program to make it to be a more interactive and collaborative social tool. The other programs includes QUT Social Commerce, QUT Globalization Program, QUT Block Program, and Digital QUT Program. And QUT Connection Program, the first stage, and QUT Connection Program, the second stage. The proposed activities also includes planning and strategies, which includes strategic plan, technology integration plan, technology governance guidelines, social technology workflow blueprints, change management plan, product review plan, pilot project plan, technology solution selection guide, user adoption plan, and value delivery measurement plan. This is the activity timeline, which shows the duration of each activity. From the graph, we can see that the short-term activity usually takes around 1 year to finish, and for these long-term activities, it would take around 2 years from the beginning of the activity until the completing of the project. So here are a couple of recommendations. These recommendations include enhanced students' collaboration by integrating the already existing social tools, and increase domestic and international influence of QUT, improving the efficiency of communication through the use of enterprise social tools within QUT, and enhance students' engagement. Here is the communication management plan. The plan has pointed out the related stakeholders and what activities or actions they should do in order to implement the plan. Here comes the project cost and the benefits. So from the chart, we can see that the cost of the project mainly subscribe to the primary fixed expenses, which includes software subscription and some related hardware installation. The second most important proportion is the follow-up expenses, which includes installation cost and staff training costs. These two parts will occupy around 800,000 Australian dollars per year. So the situation in 2016 and 2017 are also similar to the situation of 2015. Here is the return on investment of our projects. From the chart, you can see that the ROI is quite promising. In the first year, the ROI is estimated to be around 80% and then go up to 100% in the next year of 2016. At last year, the ROI will go to 110%, which is a really high figure, and it shows that our project is a quite profitable project. And compared with the average standard in the industry, our project outwhelms the average number a lot. There are also some other intangible benefits which cannot be measured by quantity. These include raised staff morale, enhanced students and staff proactiveness in research and study, and increased QT brand value and reputation.